Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a picture on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view and manage all your personal information and photos. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. This opens up all the editing features for your Tinder profile, allowing you to make changes to your photos, bio, and other details. Now, as you scroll through your profile editing options, you'll notice a section labeled Media. This is where all your current photos are displayed and where you can add new ones. The media section is crucial because your photos are what potential matches see first, so keeping this section updated helps you make a great impression. Within the media section, you'll see a plus icon. This icon allows you to add additional photos to your profile. Tap on the plus icon to begin the process of uploading a new picture. Tinder lets you add multiple photos, so you can showcase different aspects of your personality and lifestyle. After tapping the plus icon, a menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select Upload from Library. This option lets you choose photos that are already saved on your phone, making it easy to add your best pictures without having to take new ones right away. Your phone's photo library will now open up, displaying all the images you have saved. Take a moment to browse through and find the picture you want to add to your Tinder profile. Once you've found the perfect photo, tap on it to select it. After selecting your picture, tap Next to proceed to the final step. Finally, tap Done to confirm your selection and add the picture to your profile. The photo will now be added to your media section and will be visible to other users on Tinder. And that's it, you've successfully added a new picture to your Tinder profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.